Hey folks, Gary Viney here. Listen guys, I wanted to reach out and I wanted to actually talk about leverage in this particular video. And this is something that most people don't even understand. They don't understand what it is and how it works. There are different ways to explain leverage, right? But I'm going to explain it to you in two ways. Okay, leverage can be how you can actually make your money work for you, right? And this is part of like maybe the, being in the markets or allowing your money to compound or double or whatever. You can use money to actually leverage. You can leverage money that will allow it to work for you if you plug into the right system, the right investments or whatever, right? But what I want to talk about, the other thing I want to tell you about is leverage when it comes to marketing, when it comes to doing something on the internet, being able to share a concept or an idea, right, that a company has with other people, and that company in turn will pay you or compensate you for you being where you are, or you being plugged in with them and being able to share the information with other people, right? This is a powerful concept that I believe a lot of people, and many people are still, they still frown, or they have a frowny face when it comes to network marketing. But guys, it's still one of the most lucrative things that you can actually plug into, that allows you to basically do something one time and consistently get paid for it. And this is what residual income comes from. But when it comes to leverage, who was it? I think it was J. Paul Getty says, basically, I'd rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own efforts. Guys, I'm telling you, I have connected with something that is that powerful, where it allows me to have 1%. I'm not saying that's literally what it is, but 1% of many people's efforts, right? Then 100% of my own efforts. Now, fortunately, and one thing that I've realized about this particular opportunity that I'm a part of is that basically I do have to assist others to reach new levels. I do have to assist them to reach new levels, right? So people that I share the concept with, right, they're able to plug in and they're able to take some simple steps to allow them to leverage, right? Word of mouth is one of the most powerful things on earth, right? But many people don't even feel like they are doing it, or sometimes many people feel like, oh, well, I don't really want to sell anything, right? And a lot of times we sell things just by buying them, right? We can be buying something and say, hey, man, where'd you get that shirt? Or, hey, where'd you get those shoes at? Or where'd you get that jacket from, right? And you can say, well, hey, I got it on Pushmark, or I got it at this store, over across town or whatever, right? Sorry, guys, my eye is itching. That's right. So, and my nose is trying to run. But anyway, but leverage is powerful. So either you're going to leverage something, leverage a concept that will allow you to make your money work for you, or you can leverage people, right? J. Paul Getty said it best: 1% of 100 people's efforts, then 100% of our own efforts. I want you to think about where you work, what you do, and tell me that leverage is not in place. You can look and see if leverage is in place or not. A lot of individuals have a business, but they don't have enough people in their business who are doing the same thing that they're doing. I want you to think about a CEO of a company. Nothing wrong with CEOs, but when you think about a CEO of a company, can that CEO go and do all the work that the other people do in order to keep that company running? The answer is no. right? That CEO leverages every department, every person in those departments for the company to be successful, right? That is leverage. That is leverage. It's like, for instance, there's guys who cut grass, right? The one guy who cuts grass, if he had to cut 50 yards, 50 of people's front yard, just to say the front yard, do you think that he would be able to get it done faster if he had more people working with him, or would it take him all day to cut 50 yards by himself, right? So that's leverage. That is leverage, okay? So if you want to see the component that I plugged into and how I'm leveraging a particular company, you're going to have to go to winwithgaryvee.com or go to growwithgaryvee.com, and you're going to be able to learn more information on how you can actually plug in and become more successful if you choose to, if you see the vision. If you decide you want to get involved, that's awesome. If you don't want to get involved, that's fine too. 5 minutes of your time, go to growwithgaryvee.com or go to winwithgaryvee.com. That's growwithgaryvee.com or winwithgaryvee.com. Okay, guys, it's been real. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Take care. Gary V out of Oklahoma City. Peace.